All right, everybody. Happy Monday. As I told you all on Friday, I am not here today. You are going to be working on your research for your bridges. Each member of your group should receive a research packet. At the top of your research packet, you're going to list your name first. Then you're going to list each individual group members. So that way we know all the members of your group. Remember, my rule is all students in a group are working on the same bridge at the same time. So everybody in your group is going to be starting with Beam Bridge. For the Beam Bridge, you are going to research and find 3 examples of advantages and disadvantages. When you list your advantages, they will come underneath the heading advantages. They need to be things that we are really worried about in this project. Same with disadvantages. You're thinking about strength, support, flexibility. Is it expensive? Does it take a lot of time to make? That's what you're looking for with your advantages and disadvantages. You're not going to tell me that a boat can go under a suspension bridge because we're not worried about boats. We are worried about a bridge that is strong and a bridge that is aesthetically pleasing, so attractive and or unique. So those are the advantages and disadvantages that you're really looking for. After finding 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages, you're also going to look for a real life example of a beam bridge. You'll write the name of the bridge on the line, and then underneath it, you'll tell me where that bridge is located. The next section says draw and label a real beam bridge. So you're going to find a real beam bridge and all of the parts of the bridge. So the deck and the supports and etc. You're going to draw that bridge in this white space here. Make sure to include labels. I know that a deck is a part of the beam bridge. Where is that deck located? Draw on your bridge an arrow, a line pointing to it, indicating where the deck is located. The final part for each bridge is what materials can you use? On the whiteboard behind my lab station are all the materials that we have. We have popsicle sticks and tongue depressors, straws, coffee stirrers, tape, string, paper. You're going to tell me the actual name of the bridge part. So I just gave the example of the deck. And then what material out of the ones that we have, what material or materials can you use to build that part of the bridge? Once your entire group is finished with the beam bridge, you'll then move on to an arch bridge. Chances are you're only going to finish 1, maybe 2 of the bridges during the class period on Monday. We're going to continue on this on Tuesday. At the end of the class period for cleanup, you're going to put all of your research packets into your envelope that has your period number on it, for example, period 1, and then your color group, red. So the students in period 1, red, you would put all of your materials in that envelope that says that, and you would store it at your lab station. First period, you are lab station 1, second, lab station 2, third, lab station 3, fifth will be lab station 4, sixth will be lab station number 5, and 7th period, you will be lab station number 6. Please make sure you are only going to your lab station, and once we start getting materials, those garages that I spoke of will be up and functioning. When you are finished with your research packet, that's when you will move on to the actual building of your bridge, but that's not going to happen until later in the week. Please make sure that each member of your group is accounted for in terms of the quality of the work. I will take all of the bridge packets and shuffle them, draw one at random, and grade just that one packet, and everybody in the group will get that grade. So if you have a student, for example, that doesn't include any labels on the bridge and I grade their packet, every student in that group will get minus points in that section. So you need to make sure that everybody is responsible and on track with where you need to be to complete your packet. If you have any questions, Ms. Hubley will probably pop in and out. Otherwise, get a good jump on this research and I will be back on Tuesday. Just as a heads up, on Tuesday, I'm going to be checking that everybody has done the exact same thing and that you don't have part of the beam bridge and part of the suspension and part of the truss bridge done. Everybody's working on the same bridge at the same time. I will see everybody on Tuesday.